Getting the flu made me realize that I'm a failure. Well, that might be a little bit of an overstatement, but coming into 2026, I had very ambitious goals to wake up early, go to the gym every morning, and post content consistently that I'm proud of. But after getting the flu, I realized that I was just pushing back my class deadlines, laying in bed doom scrolling all day, and not even posting videos when I had the time to edit them. You might be saying, you had the flu, you should just be resting. And trust me, I was resting, but I also felt like I was wasting my days away. I think it boils down to one thing. I didn't have systems in place. Systems to help facilitate things like reading a book in bed before sleeping early, or creating, editing, and posting content on a consistent basis, or even blocking out time to do research for my thesis. And I welcome you to join me in my last 2 quarters as a Dartmouth senior in building these systems together to make 2026 the most consistent year ever. And while being sick sucks,